They were doing zipped patch pockets on the Great British Sewing Bee this week, so I'm going to show you how we do them. First thing, all I'm doing is I've picked a piece of fabric and I'm cutting it to the shape I want my pocket. I'm using a really annoying piece of fabric that isn't going to press well later, so I made a complete error on this one, but you'll get the gist of what I'm doing. So the first thing I've done is I've drawn this box shape on a piece of interfacing, just using a pencil, and ironed it onto the back of the piece of fabric. Then I use a little unpicker to get myself started so I can get my scissors in and slice down just this middle line. So this middle line that goes down this box and these little angles into the corners. And that's going to enable me to press these flaps back. Pressing them back. If you pick a really nice piece of fabric, they'll press really beautifully, and then this next bit's much easier. So you're then going to place this now like little letterbox over your zip and pin it all the way around. Encasing, you're making sure your zip pull is inside the envelope. You can see I'm pinning it at super speed for you to try and speed this process up. We're going to do it. You can see my zip's longer, doesn't matter, don't worry about that. Just centralising our zip in the middle. And we're just going to sew round. So putting my zip foot on, making sure that the bulk of that foot is out of my way, and then I'm sewing around the box. Now watch what happens when I get to the pull. I'm going to lift the presser foot up to move it past. No sewing around it, I've seen it 100 times. Move the zip pull out of your way, and then we're just going to, we're sewing over the end of the zip. Don't worry about that one. We're going to keep going and get ourselves all the way around until we get back round to where we started. And then all that will be left to do is trim your threads and cut that zip so that it's shorter than the actual piece of pocket. And then it's ready to patch onto whatever it is you want a pocket on. How easy and cool is that?